Namaste everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about polynomials, its degrees and zeros based for standard 9th and 10th NCERT book. Firstly, understand about a polynomial. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which variables involved have non-negative integral powers. It means power of variables will be non-negative integers. Those will be whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. will be its powers, its exponents. But -1, -2, -3 or -2 by 3 or 4 by 6, 4 by 5, such numbers will not be its power. Exponents will not be like this. Now, come at zeros of a polynomial. A zero of a polynomial px is a number c or alpha such that pc or p alpha is equal to 0. The value of variable which will make the whole polynomial 0 is called its zeros or roots of the polynomial. Now, find a zero or root of the polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is a polynomial. See, here degree of variable x, that is 1. We have to find its zero or root. We have to find value of variable x so that value of this whole algebraic expression, whole polynomial, will be 0. So we need to equate this polynomial to 0. For this, px is equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies that 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies that 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is brought in this side, then it is changed into minus 2. Implies that x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 is its 0. We can check it when we put value of x here, minus 2 by 3. 3 into minus 2 by 3, 3 will be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So value of x is equal to minus 2 by 3 is 0 of this polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 2. Now, what is the zero of the constant polynomial 5? What is a constant polynomial? That is 5. Let 5, we can write 5 as 5 is equal to 5 x to the power 0. We need to find its zeros. What value of x will make this 5x to 0? No value of x will make this 5x to the power 0 is equal to 0. So constant polynomial 5 has no zero. So we observe here that constant polynomial 5 has no zero because no value of x will make this 5x to the power 0 equal to 0. Now come at another question, that is, what is the degree of the constant polynomial? Take an example, that is 7. What is the degree of the constant polynomial 7? As we know, degree is the highest power of the variable or highest sum of powers of variables. Now solve this question. 7 is equal to 7 into 1. We can write it like this, is equal to 7 into x to the power 0. Here power of variable is 0. So degree of this constant polynomial is 0, or degree of any constant polynomial is 0. Degree of any constant polynomial will be 0. Now what is a zero polynomial? Zero polynomial. What is a zero polynomial? A polynomial whose value is 0, such that 0 is called a zero polynomial. It has its own importance in polynomial. 0 is itself a zero polynomial. Now what is the zero of a zero polynomial? This is a zero polynomial and we have to find its zeros. Every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Every real number, root 2, root 3, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, etc. All these numbers are real numbers and these numbers will be zeros of this zero polynomial. Now what is the degree of the zero polynomial? What is the degree? The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. The degree of the zero polynomial is not defined. That's all. Thank you for watching.